Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I show you all the things that I made throughout the week. So let's get to it. First up, I already did share this in the Craft and Kimmy release video, but I wanted to share it again. I made this for our little hop and shop last Sunday using that No Place Like Home stamp set, which is just so fun. There's some glossy accents on the window. It says welcome home. And then there's the inside. Next up, I did share this for my Mermaid Monday. Those cute turtles, that adorable mermaid, and that fun paper. And then sending you oceans of love on the inside. Then I shared with you how to make these little mini pizza boxes to hold some ephemera. Again, I will be back later in the month to share other ways to utilize these little cute little mini pizza boxes. They're just so much fun and so super easy. And then I finished off the week with this fun card for Craft and Kimmy. We had an Instagram hop to celebrate the July 2022 release, and I used that Penguin's Paradise stamp set. And I was really kind of iffy on whether all of these different pattern papers would work. I used a Mojo Monday sketch, and I have to say I thought it turned out really fun. I never would have paired all of them, but the sketch had these circles and everything, and I was like, oh, I'll try it. And it really did turn out pretty fun. And on the inside it says, let's chill. So there are my creations for the week. Not too many this week. Just trying to catch up, get ahead on some things, and all that fun stuff. I will be back very soon, like in a couple hours, maybe an hour, a couple hours, with a special video. And until then, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon.